Hey everyone, welcome to this little tutorial on how to install the KDMAS on your Pimax. We therefore find the contents of the box as shown in my previous video, and we will take care of mounting that on a headset. I put the base station aside. We will install the comfort kit and the strap. We start by hiding the cups that allow the headphones to reach your ears. We take the screwdriver that is provided because we will have two small screws to screw. I'm going to mount this on my heavily modded 8K+. It's the most sweeter model because theoretically the headset of the backers are not the headset of the vision range, therefore with black shells. And my 8K+ is one of the first models that have this black shell. So I take off the strap and unplug the headphones. The facial foam is the original one with a small piece of additional foam on the forehead. I remove the cable, although it would have been more convenient to remove it once in the next step. Slight movements from left to right while pulling firmly push it out of its place. To remove the frame, there are several techniques. Some start from the nose, but I squeeze it, which make it come out by twisting. Then, point by point, we advance until it's completely removed. This operation is never very reassuring because it may be necessary to apply a certain force. I removed the silicone protection for video purposes, but it could be very well have stayed in place. We push up the hinge by bending them inward to be able to unhook them. Here, everything is removed. Now we go back. As you can see, the hinge put up a slight resistance to rotate completely, but it's completely normal and it will be necessary later to bring them to this point. By making a quarter turn of the button, the hinge can be removed. I removed them for the video, but this is where we will have to put a small screw in order to secure the location. I found that the hinge can easily be fitted to the headset once it's on the strap without needing to put them on first, as we can see because the comfort kit is not installed yet. Once this one is in place, it is indeed compulsory to separate the hinge from the strap to remove them. The loosening is relatively hard but quickly gains flexibility. To replace the cable, make sure it is in the correct direction. And I forgot to put the silicone protection back on, so back off a bit. Cable connection. Once it is in place, it's made to make a small loop which allows it to pass smoothly in its location. I reconnected the audio cable at this time, through. It's possible to do it later. And we will have to find the best place to get it through without it getting in the way. And we will see that later. Now you have to take the adapter for the white strap, because the black shell headsets do not have a large enough opening. It's clip-on. We put it from the back and push it forward. A click will validate its correct installation. We then move on the comfort kit, which is much easier to put on than to take off. Just line up with the top USB port to be sure you're in front of the holes. And we push it into place gently all around. The strap is passed through the adapter provided for this purpose. And I choose to pass the audio cable through the strap loop on the front. And here it is in place. I am not personally a fan of the comfort kit, probably for a reason of morphology, so I put on the thick foam and the headset must be tight, or it takes the eyes away from the lenses greatly and the distortion on the edges become disgusting. Do not hesitate to loosen the strap if you want to be able to put on the headset. It is hard during the first use, but quickly takes its place. Let's hope it doesn't get loose over time. The correct location of the straps is slightly above the back of the skull, so the straps should be tilted a bit. Once on the head, the headphones are positioned on the ears. A little pressure on it will be much better for sound quality. Sound quality which is actually very good, with a lot of basses and precisely with a much better sound when you apply a slight pressure to press a little more on the air. Also, I found the sound to be below my own design, but I think it's better than the deluxe audio straps, with just a lot more bass. In terms of comfort, and quite honestly, I think I still prefer my improved strap, but coming from the base strap, There is no arguing, it is much better. It's a bit subjective as a result, but in all cases, the headset is now complete with a sound system and a strap, which is comfortable and will be able to stay in place probably several hours before being tiring. Thank you for watching, and if you liked this video, please slide it a thumb up. Consider subscribing if you haven't already and share the video if you feel like it. I see you soon for future videos. Take care. It was the Dix. Bye.